Everybody, it's Kathy here and it's Christmas time. Welcome to my channel as I am joining Ginger's Hop to create Christmas decorations 12 in 12 days. Today it's the decorated Christmas tree. Stay tuned, let's get started. Hope I do something to make you subscribe, and if you are one of my subscribers, Merry Christmas and thank you for coming back today. And it's Christmas time, everybody. Merry Christmas. Come on down to our Secret Santa 12 Days of Christmas, where we're doing our embellishments using our scraps for Ginger's Hop. And today, being the first day of December, we are doing our decorated Christmas tree. So over to the top left there, you can see one I have already completed, and I am now working on one with you. This has been cut out on my Cricut, so I have all the pieces cut out from Design Studio, and I've run these lighter green pieces through my embossing folders to give them just more detail and more depth to the actual tree. And the embossing folder that I used was a holly one, so that it's all tied in with Christmas. So I'm going to just use my Nuvo glue here to put them all down into place and in sequence, and it just layers up the tree. All of these pieces of paper that I've used in these embellishments all came from my scrap piles. So playing along, like I said, with Ginger on Ginger's Hops, I'll put all of the details down below. We're creating 12 different embellishments every single day, or well, the 12 days of Christmas through December, so that you can play along with us and create some embellishments for your layouts. Now I'm just going to take down the black crocheting thread that I'm using, and they're going like the strings of the lights across the tree, and I'm just doing it diagonally across the tree from corner of those limbs to the others. Then I'm going to tuck it in behind and fasten it with double-sided tape, and that's also ready for adhering to a layout. So I'm just putting that into place and trimming off the excess here, which I will later use in another layout. From here, I'm going to now decorate my tree, and to do that, I'm just going to layer up lots of little sequins. I'm using this Nuvo glue to hold it in place. I actually like it because it is a precision point, and I can actually just target where I want to put the sequins. I'm going to start with the big sequins first, and I'm going to just put them in randomly around the tree. I'm going to avoid green because the tree is green, so I'm going to have some silver, some gold, some blue, some red, some purple, and I'm just going to mix them up around the tree and make it look like they're the baubles on this actual Christmas tree. And how perfect. It's a hot, wet, stormy day here in Australia, where I live, and today we went out and we actually cut our tree down, which was very exciting. I love cutting down a fresh Christmas tree, and it is now sitting, just settling, so that I can decorate it tomorrow. So it's very exciting. I love Christmas, and how perfect that the first day of Christmas we are decorating a Christmas tree embellishment. Now these embellishments are also cute, and you can add them to your layouts. You can put them on the front of cards. As I said, I cut this one on my Cricut. It is about 4.5 inches in length by 3.5 inches in width. And actually, no, I tell a lie, it's 5 3/4 in length and 3 3/4 in width. And that gives it a nice size, so that when it goes onto the layout, it'll just be a nice addition, not just something tiny. So what I'm doing now is I'm just adding some Nuvo drops of glue down the string, so that my pearls, which I'm going to use like lights, are going to be able to be fastened and stay adhered to the tree. Now this is tricky because these pearls are in a string, and it's difficult to manipulate them along the tree. They are a little bit sticky, and they do get stuck on my fingers at times, but the effect is very cute, and it looks like a string of Christmas lights around the tree. I like them that they're in the pearls because that's like the white lights. and they just add that little bit of extra to the layout. Well, it's not a layout really, is it? It's an embellishment. Sorry about that, people. So this is a very cute, quick, easy embellishment to create. You can use sequins, you could use stickles, you could use stickers, you could use gemstones, whatever you have on hand to create your baubles on your tree. And then the use of the embossing folder adds texture and dimension to your tree, so that also is an embellishment addition that is easy to achieve. So here's my actual tree, which is coming together quite nicely, adding in the last bit of sequins there, and you have created a decorated Christmas tree from scraps. There is not one new piece of cardstock there. That is all out of my scrap pile, and I just love how it's come together. So I hope something here inspires you to pull out your scraps. You can create a tree just by drawing it by freehand if you don't have a Cricut or a die cutting machine. You can add little pieces, run it through the embossing machine to give some texture and detail, inking up the edges to add the shadowing effect, and there you have a decorated Christmas tree embellishment that you can put on any of your Christmas layouts this year. So playlist, full details are down below. Everyone who's playing along with Ginger creating Christmas embellishments, you can find us. Give us a thumbs up if you like something that I've created today or you want to have a go. Leave some cheer on everybody on the playlist. Happy scrapping till next time. And here's my next recommendation for you. See you next time.